Ready to move your entire investment account from Schwab, Vanguard, or elsewhere to Fidelity? A full ACATS transfer is the way to go. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Initiate the process entirely from Fidelity's side for the smoothest experience. Log in, go to Transfer, and choose Transfer an account to Fidelity. Enter the other firm's name and your account number there. Fidelity's system will pull the assets over. Ensure you're not moving any proprietary funds that can't be held at Fidelity, like Vanguard mutual funds in a Vanguard brokerage account, which can be transferred. My crucial pro tip? Do a partial transfer first if you're nervous. Instead of moving your whole account at once, transfer a single stock or a portion of your holdings as a test. Once you confirm it arrives correctly with its cost basis, you can initiate the full transfer with confidence. Consolidate your financial world with a proven, reliable process. What was the main reason you decided to transfer accounts to Fidelity? For more guides on financial consolidation, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.